How to create a TikTok account in 2 minutes. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself a TikTok account in just 2 minutes. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed TikTok application in your device. If not, head over to Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Once you do so, go ahead and tap on Install, and once done, tap on Open. Then you will see this interface. Now to sign up for TikTok, you can either use your phone number, your email, your Facebook, or your Google. So go ahead and do anything that you would like. In my case, I'm going to use my Google account. Then you will be shown the list of all the Google accounts that is in your device, and you can choose anyone that you would like to create an account from. Once you do so, you will be able to add your birth date. TikTok does not allow minor age to use this app. Once you do so, tap on to Next. At this page, enter your nickname and tap on to confirm. Now just like so, if you tap onto your profile on your bottom right, you will see that you have successfully created yourself a TikTok account. If you would like to add your phone number, tap on Add Phone Number. Just like so, enter your phone number and tap on Send Code. And just check your phone number to receive your code and paste the code at the next page. This is how you successfully create yourself an account.